like 4 cubed, that was 4 times 4 times 4. You took the base number times itself 3 different times because of the exponent. So when we're finding the cubed root, you'll see the radical, and it will have a cube right here, or the exponent of 3. So then I'm going to look for sets of 3. Okay, so just look to the exponent and it will tell you how many to look for. And if it doesn't have an exponent, like the square root doesn't, then you would find sets of 2. So we're going to find the prime factorization chart again. Again, if you need to draw the lines to keep yourself in line, you can. And then on these, instead of sets of 2, if you can divide by 2 once, if you're looking for the cube root, if you've done it correctly, you should have a 2 3 different times. And possibly more. But see, I have 3 different 2's here, and then I have another 3 here, so it works. So then I go every third group because I'm looking for sets of 3. So here's my first group. Here would be my second, my third. So this goes in my first group again. So this is my second group. That would be my third, my second group. And that's my third group. So if down here I made my orange, my pink, and my yellow groups, you could have whatever 3 colors, it doesn't matter. My pink group has 2 times 2 in it. My orange group has 2 times 2 in it, and my yellow group has 2 times 2 in it. I look, they should all be the same. They're all 2 times 2. So this is equal to 4. This is equal to 4. This is equal to 4. And then I can check it. Does 4 times 4 times 4 equal 64? 16 times 4 is 64. So the cubed root of 64 is equal to 4. Which I should also then be able to say that the cube of 4 is 64. So on cube root, you're looking for sets of 3. Okay, so let's practice one that you might be able to see a pattern in, hopefully. Here we have 1,000. So first we're going to divide by 2. And we get left with 500. And then we're going to divide by 2 again, because we always keep it with the lowest prime number. And we get 250. I know some of you were tempted to divide by 5 right there. And then I divide by 2 again. Always the lowest prime number. I get 125. And now I can't divide by 2 because this isn't even, so I divide by 5 because that ends in a 5. And divide by 5 again, and I have 5 remaining, and that's a prime number, so I have to stop. So then I have my sets of 3, so I have pink, and then not, because that would be second and third, first, second, third. You can even say that, or you can say like A, B, C, A, B, C. If it helps you and you don't have colors anywhere, you don't have to have colors. It's not like you can't do your math work. You can find other ways, A, B, C. A, B, C. And you can say set A has 2 times 5 in it. It will work without your colors. So don't tell your parents you can't do your work, or tell your teacher that you couldn't have done your work because you didn't have colors to sort them into your sets. This is where you have to be self-responsible to find another way. So group A has 2 times 5. Group B has 2 times 5, or the yellow group. Group C, the orange, has 2 times 5. So they're all the same. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10. And 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. So 10 is equal to make sure you have the cube root of 1,000.